Imagine walking into your home and having a speaker that doesn't just play music, but actually understands the room better than you do. For 5 years, the HomePod Mini has been the king of compact smart speakers, but it's starting to show its age. While the world moves toward high-speed AI and instant connectivity, our favorite little sphere is still running on tech from 2019. But that is all about to change. Welcome back to TechVibe. Today, we are deep diving into the most anticipated smart home upgrade of the decade, the Apple HomePod Mini 2. We've gathered the latest supply chain leaks, internal code discoveries, and performance benchmarks to show you why this isn't just a minor refresh, it is a total overhaul of the smart home experience. If you've been thinking about buying a smart speaker, you need to stop everything and watch this until the very end, because the upgrades Apple is packing into this tiny frame are going to make the current model look like a toy. Let's start with the heart of the machine, the silicon. The original HomePod Mini uses the S11 chip, the same processor found in the Apple Watch Series 5. In tech years, that is ancient history. Our sources and recent leaks from the iOS 26 beta code confirm that the HomePod Mini 2 is jumping straight to the S10 or even an S11 class processor. Why does this matter for a speaker? It changes everything about how you interact with your home. We're talking about a massive leap in computational audio. This new chip allows the speaker to analyze its surroundings hundreds of times per second, adjusting the EQ in real time to ensure the bass is deep and the vocals are crystal clear, regardless of whether you place it on a wooden bookshelf or a marble countertop. But the real magic happens with Siri. We all know the frustration of asking Siri a question and waiting for that spinning light to figure out what you said. With the S10 chip and an upgraded 4-core neural engine, Siri's responsiveness is expected to be near instant. Most of the processing will now happen on-device, meaning your voice commands don't have to travel to the cloud and back just to turn off your kitchen lights. This is a game changer for privacy and speed, making the HomePod Mini 2 the fastest smart assistant in its price bracket. Now, let's talk about connectivity, because this is where the pro features trickle down. Leaks suggest the inclusion of the N1 wireless chip, which brings Wi-Fi 6E support to the Mini for the first time. If you live in a premium country household with a dozen smart devices, you know about signal interference. Wi-Fi 6E opens up the 6 GHz band, giving your HomePod its own fast lane for high-resolution lossless audio streaming without a single stutter. Combine that with an upgraded ultra-wideband U2 chip, and the handoff feature, where you move your music from your iPhone to the speaker, will be smoother and more precise than ever. You won't even have to tap the speaker, just get close, and the transition will be seamless. One of the biggest complaints about the original Mini was the lack of room sensing found in its bigger brother. Well, the rumors indicate that Apple has found a way to shrink that tech down. The HomePod Mini 2 is expected to feature a new system sensing sensor that works with the microphones to detect the room's acoustics. This means you're getting a wall of sound effect from a device that fits in the palm of your hand. For those of you in the US and Europe who love a minimalist aesthetic but crave theater-quality sound, pairing 2 of these in a stereo configuration is going to rival soundbars that cost 3 times as much. Design-wise, Apple is sticking to the if it ain't broke, don't fix it philosophy, but with a premium twist. Expect the same iconic mesh fabric, but with a more vibrant and responsive touch surface on top. The LED waveform is rumored to be brighter and extend further across the top glass, giving it a much more futuristic glow during Siri interactions. And for those who like to match their tech to their decor, a new midnight shade with deeper blue undertones and a rumored dark product red are expected to headline the color lineup. But here is the killer feature that no one is talking about yet, the integration with HomeOS. Apple is reportedly working on a new operating system specifically for the home, and the HomePod Mini 2 is being built as the primary node for this ecosystem. This speaker will act as a TH red border router on steroids, managing your Matter-enabled lights, locks, and cameras with unprecedented stability. It's not just a speaker, it's the brain of your house. So, when can you get your hands on one? Looking at the current inventory scarcity at major retailers like B&H and Target, the signs point to a launch in the first half of 2026. Apple has been clearing out the old stock to make room for what's next. As for the price, Apple is expected to keep it aggressive. To dominate the market in the US and international regions, they are likely sticking to that sweet spot of $99. Getting this level of high-end audio and AI processing for under $100 is unheard of, and it's exactly why the HomePod Mini 2 is poised to be the best-selling Apple accessory of the year. If you've made it this far, you're clearly serious about your smart home setup. The jump from the S5 to the S10 chip, the addition of Wi-Fi 6E, and the refined computational audio make the HomePod Mini 2 a mandatory upgrade. It's the device that finally fulfills the promise of a truly smart home, one that is fast, private, and sounds absolutely incredible. Thank you for watching this deep dive on TechVibe. We are constantly tracking these leaks, and as soon as the first units hit the shelves, we'll be doing a full unboxing and sound test right here. If you want to be the first to know when the HomePod Mini 2 officially drops, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss our next update. What color are you picking up? Let us know in the comments below, we read every single one. Stay tech savvy, and we'll see you in the next video.